our hour hand, Amani?
The short one.
The short one. So if I say it's 8:30, where would our minute hand be? The 6, yep. And if I say it's on the hour, where would our minute hand be? On the 12. And if it's up here on the 12, how many minutes are we going to have? 0. And if it's on the 6, how many minutes are we going to have?
30.
30. Good.
Yeah.
All right. So Ben is a clock collector. He has 8 digital clocks. So put 8 in your mind. And 5 circular clocks. How many clocks does Ben have all together? Don't holler it out. Put it in your mind. Tell me.
13.
13. How many more digital clocks does Ben have than circular clocks? He has 8 digital clocks and 5 circular. So how many more digital does he have than circular? Think about it.
3.
Very good job. How did you get that? Did we add or subtract that one? We added the first one when we wanted to see how many clocks he had all together. When we wanted to see how many more, we what? Subtracted. How did we know to add those? When it says he has 8 digital and 5 circular, how many does he have all together? How do we know to add those? All together. And how do we know to subtract in this one? Because it says how many? How many what? More, yes. Good job. All right. Look at this clock. Put your clocks down in front of you, okay? So they're not distracting you. Thank you. Okay. What kind of clock is this? Don't holler out. Raise your hand. Bradley, what kind of clock is that? A watch? Yep. Can we tell time on our watches? Yeah. Okay. So look at that time and get it in your head. 3:30. Good. Okay. What kind would this be? What kind, Eli? Sherrod. Now, what kind of clock is that? What kind did we say this one was? Analog, yes. Okay. Look at that time.
9:30.
How did you know it was 9:30? Because it's not on the 9 or the 10, so how did you know it's 9:30? When it's what, Addie? How did you know it was on the 9? It's in between those, so how did we figure out it was on the 9? That it was 9:30? Because it's in between and we do what? We pick the smaller number unless it's what? If it's on the 12 and 1, what's it going to be? It's going to be the 12. Alright, get this one in your head. No?
No, it's not. It's actually. Oh, I see.
Get it in your hand. 3, 2, 1.
3 o'clock. 4 o'clock.
It's what? Wait. What? Not 3:30.
4 o'clock. It's
7
o'clock.
It would be, I know that the 4 is not up here. So we're missing some numbers, right? But we know that the 3 and the 4 would be right here. So it would be what?
4
4
o'clock.
o'clock. Would that be? Yeah.
I got it. I got it.
Good. Yep. So you kind of just got to imagine it in your head, oh, what numbers are missing and kind of where they would be. Okay, so So cause you know, if it was on the in-between numbers, would that minute hand be up there?
No.
No. It would be somewhere else, wouldn't it?
3 o'clock.
So we know it's on an hour, right? We know that it's gonna be at the
But it's not from
top of that hour. So we're starting a new hour. So we know it couldn't have been 3:30. All right. There's another one like that. Let's see, get in your head. 11 o'clock. Good.
Yep. Oh, thinking about that.
Oh, let's see. Let's trick you up on this one. This one has no numbers. Wait. No numbers. Okay, so what would be right here? And what would be down here? 6. So we know those two, right? So we know that there's going to be numbers in between the 12 and the 6. Okay. How do we know it's 3 o'clock? Because if you cut the circle in half this way, so what's going to be over here? If you have 12, 3, 6, 9, yes. What are those numbers count by? Job. Use your brains. All right. Now I want you to show me some real times. Let's see. Show me. Half past 4. Half past 4. Hold them up when you got them done. Half past 4. Good job. All right. Show me. Let's see. Show me 5 o'clock. Good. Show me half past 2. Half past 2. Don't say got it, just hold it up, okay? Good. All right. Show me 10:30. 10:30. Okay. Good job. Hey, Riverly, tell me a time for us to go. 8 o'clock. Riverly said show us 8 o'clock. Just hold it up. Hey, Dawn, tell us a time to show. Good job. Let's see. Let's go back. Okay, this next one says you're gonna write the time on it, Carl. What time is that, Carl? Good job. Carl said it's 12 o'clock, cause why? Our hour hand and our minute hand is on the what, Waverly? They're both on the what? 12, yes. Hey. Let's see here. Remy. We're on C, Remy. Good job. And why did she do it right on the 9? Because it's the what? It's on the hour, right? We're starting a new hour. So as our hour hand moves, as our minute hand moves, our hour hand's going to do what? It's going to move up too. That's why when we're right here at half past, it's what? In between, right? Let's see, okay. What's next? Fill in the blanks, James.
You said that was easy. I think I picked that one.
Come on, come try. Come try. You got this. Says blank clock shows 3:30. So does A or B show 3:30? Whoop. That, yes, you do.
You've known on every math paper.
That's in between the 4 and the 5. So is that going to be 3:30? No. So which one is? B. So you're going to write B right there. Good. All right. Christian. Clock A or B shows 12:30. Good job. Let's see. Brayley. Clock A or B shows, girls, shows 11 o'clock. Does clock A or B show 11 o'clock? So what time does clock B show?
See, up 10
10
o'clock.
o'clock. CJ. See. Sherrod. Does clock A or B show 8:30? Good. Let's see. Jaden. Does clock A or B show what? 5 o'clock. Great. All right. So now we're gonna go do our papers. On this first page, you're just gonna draw the correct hands. Okay? So you're gonna draw what time it is. Put your clock stand in front of you, please. Yep. Thank you. On the second page, it says write the correct time. So you're just gonna look at these clocks, and you're gonna write that correct time. What are we gonna do on the second page? Was anybody paying attention?
Write the correct
Correct time, yeah. on this one, you're gonna match, just like we've been doing all week, okay? And then circle the clock that has the correct time, then write the time of the other clocks. So you're gonna circle the clock that has this time right here, okay? And then whatever the other two clocks show, you're gonna write those times on these two lines. Got it? And this one, you're just gonna match them. You're gonna draw your lines, okay? Alright, I want everybody line up behind Braylee. Get your clock up and get a paper.